This is my first update video. Now I'm working on a 1964 Ford Falcon. Um, Bought it in like 2017, started taking it apart in 2020. I'm gonna drop a V8 in it, so took the shock towers out and decided to put a Mustang 2 front suspension in it from Heidts. But first I needed to get all the paint and stuff stripped off, so I took the towers off and I decided to strip everything, strip all the paint off. I purchased a rotisserie to make it easier to strip the paint off the underside of the car. It's a Titan ROT 4500, I believe. It made it so much easier to be able to do that. When I got the paint stripped off, I found a bunch of previous patches in the floor, quarter panels. Um, so I built a chassis table. Just ordered some metal, made a square, made it all level and and everything. Um, I used the rotisserie to get the car up on it, welded the car to it. Um, so then I could cut the floors out um, without the car moving all around, and I know everything's all level and square where I need it to be. Um, Cleaned up the frame rails, uh, ordered some patches, and got them all installed. The driver and passenger patches. After the floor patches, then I got my Heights Mustang 2 Crossmember control arms, and then I started working on the front end of the car while it's still on the chassis table. Those are the boxing plates for the frame. I had to mark and cut some notches in the frame to allow room. The coilover goes through those because I also have coilovers on it instead of the shock tower. But I got the back then I had to cut all the tabs away on the frame to so those boxing plates would fit, put some weld through primer and welded those all up. Got the cross member in there, make sure it's all level. And I welded it in. There's control arms on it, power steering rack. There's a upper coilover mounts. Then I started tackling the passenger quarter panel. I cut the old patch out and seen there's more rust on the inside. Cut all that out, inner wheel well, inner quarter. Um, Made some new patches. Um, Used some 16 gauge steel for the inner quarter. Put the inner wheel well all mocked up. Got tacked in. And that's it all welded up. Here's a view from the underside. You can see the passenger side up top. That's the what I did. And then here's another previous. I got to cut all that out. That's my next project. I start on that this weekend. Big holes and stuff rusted. But it's the new metal, fresh and clean. This is my Miller-Matic 252 I've been using on all my projects. It seems really good to me. Uh, Those DeWalt clamps under there are holding on my four-link. I still need to drill the holes and stuff. I'll do a video when I get to that. Here's me just welded in the outer patch on the passenger quarter panel. I decided to do the passenger side first because it was easier. The driver's side is going to be a lot of work. I still need to really come up with a game plan on how I'm going to tackle that. But I thought I'd just make this video just to kind of show you guys my progress. I mean, it's not the fastest progress. And like I said, I started in 2020, so this is just what I've done in the last 5 years. But going forward, I want to get going on this thing a lot more. Um, I'll probably make these videos at least once a month or uh, every 2 months. But yeah, I keep doing some do some Instagram reels and YouTube shorts while I'm working on the car. It keeps me motivated. Trying to make these little videos and stuff. It gives me like just kind of holds me accountable to keep working on it. The hood was all rusted out, so I cut that all out, all the rust out, and cleaned that all up on the inside. Made a patch, marked all where the holes were, and then welded it all up. Um, Please subscribe to my YouTube, and if you want to check out my Instagram. Thank you for watching, supporting. If you would like, subscribe, comment, share, appreciate it. Um, I got other content